What's up, everybody? This is Nick from EdTech, the podcast. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite new way to make screencast recordings for my students using none other than PowerPoint and a new insert feature called Cameo. This is going to take the place of really any other screencasting tool that you use, like Screencastify, Screencast-O-Matic, and I think it's going to do it better. Certainly, it's going to do something that none of these other tools let you do. Here's how it works. I've got a PowerPoint that I'm going to use to make the recording. If I click on Insert and Cameo, you'll see right away in the bottom right-hand corner, it adds this video feed that will eventually be in my recorded lesson. The best part about it is that I can click and move this around just like any other shape within the slide, including shrinking it, expanding it, and if you click on Camera Format, you can change the outer boundary of that video. My favorite one is this framed circle. Since this is my introductory slide, I'm going to expand it. My students can see me talking as I introduce the lesson. If I click this webcam, Control-C, and then go to my next slide, Control-V, you can paste it in to this new slide, but shrinking it so it fits in with whatever shapes are here. The really cool part about this is under transitions, they have a lot of the same awesome options as they've always had, but my favorite one is morph. So as I go from one slide to the next, it's going to seamlessly morph that webcam into whatever new shape it is. Let's paste it one more time into slide 3 so we can get the full effect. We'll make sure to turn on morph for this one as well. If I go back to slide 1 and present this so you can get a sense of how awesome this looks, here's me introducing the lesson. As I click to slide 2, I morph to be down here. I can now narrate this or write directly on the slide. As I go to the third slide, you'll see the same effect. So clearly this is going to give your eventual screencast recording a super awesome look that you're just not going to find with any other screencasting tool available. My other favorite part is that once I've got my slide set up, I can go to the top of my PowerPoint screen, click record from beginning, and it's automatically going to allow me to make my screencasted recorded version of these slides directly in PowerPoint. I can also export it as an MP4 in 1080p quality when I'm finished. This is how I will be making my screencasted lessons from now on. So that wraps it up for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember to check out EdTech, the podcast, anywhere you listen to podcasts.